This is why you need a smooth morning routine. For your kid's hair, mornings can be hectic, and the last thing you want is a battle with tangles and frizz. A streamlined hair routine can make all the difference. Imagine this. Your kiddo wakes up with a smile, feeling refreshed and ready to start the day. No more grumpy mornings or bedhead disasters. Ready to conquer the day with a bounce in their step and confidence in their heart. A good hair day can set the tone for a great day, and you don't have to wrestle with their hair for an hour. Instead, you can enjoy a peaceful morning, knowing that their hair is already taken care of. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, it's totally possible with a simple natural hair routine. You don't need a ton of products or hours of time. Just a few key steps can make a huge difference. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty. Natural hair is beautiful, but can be a bit tricky to manage, especially with the morning rush. But with the right approach, it can be a breeze. Frizz, tangles, dryness, sound familiar? These are common issues, but they don't have to be a daily struggle. No worries, we got you covered. With a few simple steps, you can keep your child's hair looking and feeling great. First off, hydration is key. Keep a spray bottle with a mix of water and a bit of leave-in conditioner handy. This will help keep the hair moisturized and manageable. Give those curls a good spritz to make them more manageable. Hydration helps to reduce frizz and makes detangling much easier. Next, don't skip the detangling. This step is crucial for preventing breakage and keeping the hair healthy. Use a wide-tooth comb for less breakage and tears. Start from the ends and work your way up to the roots, gently working through any knots. And hey, make it a fun bonding time with your kiddo. Turn on some music, tell stories, or just chat about their day. This can be a special time for both of you. Now, how about a quick style that's a lifesaver? Try the classic two-strand twist. It's a versatile style that works for all hair types and lengths. It's super easy. Just part the hair, twist, and secure with a cute clip. This style not only looks adorable, but also helps to protect the hair from damage. Voila! Not only is it adorable, but it also keeps the hair protected throughout the day. Plus, it's a style that can last for several days with minimal maintenance. To recap, remember these steps: hydrate, detangle, and twist. These simple steps can make a big difference in the health and appearance of your child's hair. A simple routine can make a world of difference, leaving your child's hair healthy and you stress-free. No more morning battles, just smooth, beautiful hair. Got your own genius tip? Drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you and learning new tricks. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome parenting hacks. We've got plenty of tips and tricks to make your life easier. Until next time, happy hairstyling. Remember, a little bit of care goes a long way in keeping your child's hair healthy and beautiful.